Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're taking a deep dive into the king of the skies, the undisputed apex predator of modern air combat. Welcome to Fighter Race. Hey everyone, and welcome to the ultimate destination for all things fighter jet technology on YouTube. We're thrilled to have you join our squadron. Here you'll dive deep into the fascinating world of modern combat aircraft, from the cutting-edge avionics and weapons systems to the incredible engineering feats that make these machines soar. The F-22 Raptor. This isn't just a fighter jet, it's a technological marvel. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-22 was designed to dominate the airspace of the 21st century, and it's safe to say it's achieved that goal. The Raptor's most defining feature? Stealth. Its shape, materials, and special coatings make it incredibly difficult for enemy radar to detect. It's like a ghost in the machine, able to slip through enemy defenses undetected. But stealth is just the beginning. The F-22 packs a serious punch. Its internal weapons bay can carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, including the long-range AIM-120 AMRAAM, allowing it to engage targets beyond visual range. And its advanced radar system gives it an unparalleled view of the battlefield, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously. Think of it as having the most powerful eyes in the sky. But all that firepower and stealth wouldn't mean much without maneuverability. The F-22 is incredibly agile. Its thrust vectoring engines allow it to perform maneuvers that would be impossible for other aircraft. It can turn on a dime, making it a nightmare for enemy pilots. Compared to other fighters, the F-22 sits in a league of its own. It's a true fifth-generation fighter, representing a massive leap in technology. However, all this cutting-edge technology comes at a price. The F-22 is incredibly expensive to produce and maintain, which is why only a limited number were built. Despite its limited numbers, the F-22 remains the cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's air superiority capabilities. It's a symbol of American air power and a testament to human ingenuity. So, what do you think of the F-22 Raptor? Let us know in the comments below.